If your wheel spins forever without stopping, your bearings are likely ruined. Healthy grease creates hydraulic drag that naturally slows rotation. We call them sealed cartridge bearings, but that rubber lip is effectively just a dust shield, not a vacuum chamber. Water has a lower surface tension than grease, allowing it to migrate past the seal via capillary action during wet rides or high-pressure washing. Once inside, moisture emulsifies the lubricant, destroying the hydrodynamic film that separates the steel balls from the races. Without this film, metal-on-metal contact occurs, leading to microscopic pitting and eventual seizure. This explains the infinite spin myth. A dry bearing spins freely because there is no viscous drag from the grease. A healthy bearing exhibits fluid friction. To test properly, you must apply axial load to the inner race to feel for roughness, rather than just spinning the wheel. Engineering tolerances also matter less than preload settings. Excessive axial preload spikes Hertzian contact stress, crushing the balls into the races. The optimal setting is often finger-tight, leaving a fraction of play that disappears only when the quick release or through axle compresses the system. Finally, sealed doesn't mean disposable. With a sharp pick, you can carefully lift the rubber seal, flush out contaminated grease, and repack with fresh marine-grade lubricant. Doing this every 2,000 kilometers can triple the lifespan of your hubs and bottom bracket. Service your sealed bearings. Healthy friction saves your hubs.